So to update the firmware of your Xiaomi Scooter 6, then all you have to do is launch the Xiaomi Home app and then go to your specific electric scooter. It's going to check the page. Of course, the scooter needs to be on so that it gets connected to your phone. Now, occasionally you will see prompts to update the firmware, but in case you don't see the prompt, then you can go to the three dots in the top right corner, which opens up the scooter settings page, and then you can scroll down and find the firmware update option. You tap on that, and then it says, do not lock or exit the screen midway during the update process. So click OK, and then now it's going to start checking for available firmware updates. And as you can see, it's currently found a firmware update available. All you have to do is tap on update, and then just keep the scooter on and the phone on, the screen on, and the phone next to the scooter until the update process is complete. It's going to take a short time, so just be patient. So once it finishes downloading, it's going to start installing. So just keep waiting. It says the installation process may take a while and your device will reboot during the installation. So once it's done, it will let you know with this message that it's been updated successfully. So click OK and you should be good to go. Now, of course, the scooter needs to restart. And once it restarts, you might need to reconnect to the app. There you go. So now you can see if we go back to that settings page and go back to firmware update, click OK. When it checks, it will let you know that your current version is up to date. Thanks for watching. Good luck.